Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about what is Snapchat. So let's get started. Well, Snapchat is one of the most known apps that used by many, which allow you to share photos and videos with app users. And one of the amazing features of the app, photos and videos get erased once they are opened. Now let's make a quick tour on the app. So the icons at the bottom of the screen allow to go through the different features of the app. So the first icon, it's the spotlight that contains short videos you can scroll through by swipe up or tapping on the screen. You can like the video by tap on the heart icon. Also, you can upload the video. The second icon, or story icon, allow you to watch your friends' stories. And stories are comprised of a series of snaps that can be a mix of photos and videos. So tap on the right side of the screen to move forward through the stories. The third icon, or the camera icon, allow you to access to your camera. So here you can take a photo or video to send to others. You can also add text and filters. Whereas the fourth icon, or the chat icon, shows all the snaps you received. You can add friend by tap on this icon or accept friend requests. And the last icon, or snap map icon, shows where your friends on Snapchat are currently located. If they have that function turned on, you can also explore different locations on the map and watch snaps that people share publicly in each location. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya!